Are you tired of struggling with selecting cells in Excel? Let's change that today. First up, let's talk cell addresses. Each cell in Excel has a unique address, like A1, B2, or C3. Think of it as the cell's home address. Now on to ranges. A range in Excel is a group of cells. For example, A1 to B2 is a range from cell A1 to cell B2. To select a range, click on the first cell, hold down your mouse, and drag to the last cell. Easy, right? But what about non-contiguous ranges? Hold down the curl key and click each cell you want. Voila! You've selected multiple non-adjacent cells. Lastly, selecting multi-sheet ranges. Click the first sheet tab, hold Shift, and click the last sheet tab. Now, any range you select on one sheet is selected on all sheets. And there you have it. Select ranges like a pro and make your Excel work a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.